Hi everyone, this is Judy, the business librarian at University of Tennessee Hodges Library. In this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate Business Source Complete database. To access Business Source Complete database, you go to University Library homepage. That is www.lib.utk.edu. On this homepage, you're going to use quick links. Inside the quick links, there's the articles and databases. Click on it and then type in Business Source Complete database name, or you can access through the popular database list. Business Source Complete is right here. When you're offline, you type in your net ID, just like you log on your email. Once you log into your email account, then the system will send you to the vendor's platform, that is by EBSCOhost. And you will see several search bar. And you are going to key in your keywords in each bar to do the search. Now you will see and or not, that is called a Boolean operator or Boolean logic, which is like the Venn diagram when you learned mathematics in your high school. This in computer term is natural language, it's not English language. So and means you connect two variables together that would ask the machine to search for articles with the two variables on that particular article and bring that article up for you. That means it actually narrows down your search results. And if you use OR, that means these two variables, either one appear on the article, bring it up for you. Not is when you bring up all the articles with this variable and take out a subset. So OR is actually expand your search results and not will limit down the result. It's just like this one is, if you use AND, you have two variables, vegan or vegetarian. So you're looking for articles with both. That would be the AND. So the number of search results will less than what you have used all. So vegan and vegetarian use all, that means all the articles either will have this one or this one or both of them bring it up. So not is like you have articles using vegan and then you exclude all those articles with the vegetarian appear on the articles, you take it out. So you have this side. So let's do a search. For example, I'm searching for social media. If I just type in social media without doing anything, then I got a list of results, 54,000-ish. And if I click on this one and I say social media may be a subject term, you can actually tell the machine that if you type in Philip Cotter, you can actually use it as people and search all articles by Philip Cotter. And or you are searching for a particular title of an article, then you can also type in and tell the machine that social media is the title of the article. Right now, I'm using it as a subject term to search. Now we have 54,000-ish article when I just search as a keyword, and let's see how it goes. When you click on it as a subject term, that would down to 32. So all these articles is considered related to social media. So if you say, I'm going to type in another keyword, advertising, and I click on search, it will further down to 4,000. If I say advertising is also another subject term, so look for articles using the advertising as subject terms and social media as subject term, we're down to 3,166. And then you will see here that if you say, okay, I want scholarly peer-reviewed articles only, you can check the box here, and the machine will make it down to 418. And if you say, I want something more current, so you can either move the sidebar or you can type in the range of the years. And this one will further down, 381. If you say, I want to more close to 2 years, then it will down to 117. Okay, now, if you will see that some are PDF file and some with this T logo, fine text. That means this article is in full text. You can click on that and download the article. But in this one is not in full text. It's only in abstract. So what you can do is you click on find text. The system will search all the databases we have and look for this article in full text and send you there. If we don't have this in our collection, full text mode, the system will tell you to submit an interlibrary services request. And then we will get the article in print or in electronic format from other university. Now, you will see that here, if your assignment is due in 2 hours, you really don't have time. If this one is not available in our collection, submit the interlibrary loan request. It really depends on how responsive the other university. So if say your assignment due in 2 hours, you really don't have time to wait for the article sent to you. You can also ask the machine to say, only give me the full text article. If that is not in full text, don't give it to me. So it will down to 85. Now this is not the best choice. The only is when you are in a critical moment that you need articles to finish your assignment. The reason I'm saying that is you may have some article which is not in full text in this database. It may be actually good for your assignment. So this one, I usually would say this is, unless you really just don't bother, just find some articles to work on your assignment. You can also further down to see that you can click on that, what subject area these articles about. If you are say, I'm looking for internet surveys, social media advertising, but I focus on internet survey, you can click on it. It will show you those 3 articles. And here is also tell you what are these articles, the publications publish this article from. Okay, so this will give you more detail about the 85 articles. Now, if you see this article, you say, okay, I want this article, and you can actually add to your list. What you can do is you see the folder, you can sign up your personal folder with EBSCO. Whenever you find any article, you can put it in your folder and for later use. So what I'm going to do is I already signed up one, so I'm going to show you. Once you sign in, okay, one more time. Okay. Now, once you're in, you can put it in a folder. Let's go back to the search list, result list. Oh, yeah. Now, if you say, I want this article, then I can actually add it to my folder. And you will see, once you sign in, on top, you will see my name here. If that, just like Amazon Prime, if that is not you, you can sign in again. Right now you see your name here. That means you are in your folder. So I want this article, I click on that, and I have two choices because in my folder, I already have one called my folder. The other one is April 26th. If I want to add it into my folder, you can do that. Now you click on this. I'm going to show you that. When you click on that, it actually open up my folder, and you will see the list of the article that I add before, okay? So you will see that, for example, these two coffee farmers and these two articles about coffee farmers, I add these two articles 2 years ago when I did the Physician Executive MBA program. And 2 years later, still in my folder. So it stay there until you delete it or you don't have your NetID to access. I mean, your graduate, your NetID is not valid anymore. You cannot access to the folder, okay? This is how you can capture articles. And you can also create a folder, and then you can share your folder with your classmate if you are doing a collaboration, teamwork, or a project, something like this. You see this one? This is the biology librarian. I'm working on a project with her called Liaison Group, and she finds 9 articles. So she sent all 9 articles to me and asked me to read before we have our meeting. So you can, just like this, you can do that too. And now if you have a particular article and you don't want to send a full folder, you can also just send one article to your classmate. For example, this one, and say, okay, this one is good. I only want to send this one to one classmate. You can do that. You can open up the article, bibliographic record, and then you click on permanent link and cut and paste the permanent link and send this link to your classmate. Of course, your classmate need to sign on to the EBSCO system in order to access the article, because the database will pay for that. And the system require anyone to access the platform need to be affiliated with UTK in our subscription. Okay, that would give you an idea how to search for articles. Now, besides articles, you will see that company information is right here. You can, this is not the best database for company information, but what I want to show you is, see whether it's spelled like this. Okay, yes, without S. Now, for example, I'm searching for Starbucks and I find Starbucks here, click on that. To look for the important thing I want to show you is, if you are doing a business plan, you are writing for you are writing your business plan, you're looking to information to write your SWOT analysis. You are, for example, you open a coffee shop, then you can actually look up a public company, Starbucks, and see whether there's any SWOT analysis here. And you click on that, and you can use the SWOT analysis as a reference for you to build your own. Now, besides Starbucks, also look at the industry profile market research reports. That's why I want to show you this one is one of the resources that you can use to look for SWOT analysis, some information about that particular industry, and see whether there's any market research reports about that business in that area. So this one, this tutorial pretty much sum up everything that I want to show you. And anytime you have any question, feel free to talk to me, or you can also click on chat with us and talk to one of the general librarian at the reference desk. And thank you for your time to watch this video. Thank you.